Welcome to Rome Tech. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really helps us out. Today, we're diving into Peak.com, a fascinating platform that's worth exploring. Peak.com offers a comprehensive marketplace for booking tours and activities, making it a one-stop shop for planning your next adventure. Whether you're seeking a thrilling whitewater rafting excursion, a relaxing wine-tasting experience, or a culturally immersive historical tour, Peak.com likely has something to pique your interest. Their website provides a streamlined interface for browsing options based on location, date, and interest, allowing users to quickly and easily find experiences that match their preferences. Peak.com doesn't just connect you with activities, it aims to simplify the entire booking process. From secure online payment options to detailed activity descriptions and user reviews, the platform empowers travelers with the information they need to make informed decisions. This transparency extends to pricing, as Peak.com typically displays all-inclusive costs upfront, eliminating unexpected fees and surprises. Beyond the user experience, Peak.com also offers valuable tools for tour operators, enabling them to manage their bookings, connect with customers, and grow their businesses more efficiently. This dual-sided approach contributes to a robust and dynamic ecosystem for both adventurers and experience providers. Thinking about exploring a new city or spicing up your weekend? Check out Peak.com and see what exciting experiences await. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive offerings, and commitment to transparency, Peak.com stands as a valuable resource for anyone seeking to discover and book memorable activities. They even offer gift certificates, making it a great way to give the gift of experience. So, whether you're planning your next vacation or searching for a unique local experience, Peak.com offers a user-friendly and convenient way to explore the world around you.